Sam Evans of StockAbility with you. It's April 8th. Here's a trade I'm in today. I'm just getting short here, or got short at 33,323 with a stop of $300 risk just above this and playing this to the downside. Getting very close to my profit target at 33,236. Why that target? Because it's the previous day's lows and we're in a bit of a consolidation period right now on the market. And sure, this could go lower. To me, it feels like it could go lower, but we're fighting a dominant uptrend, and day trading is about taking opportunity and taking what the market gives you. This would be a really nice risk to reward ratio if we can get this as well. And again, if we can hit this, we'll be done in about 12 or 13 minutes. The time right now is 9:43. It's just turned. So that's why I'm ruthless about taking the profit here. If this hits this target of $1,300, let's put it in perspective. That's $100 a minute. There's not many careers or jobs where you could make $1,300 in 13 minutes. Even if you just had $100 in 1 minute, just think about that for a perspective. You know, there's the target just hit right now. And that is why I'm an opportunist. Could it go lower? Sure, it could also go a lot higher as well. You've got to be satisfied by what the market gives you, and I'm happy with this trade right now. Let's zoom in here. 13.05 is the closed profit. The time right now is 9:43 Eastern. There you go, just taking what the market gives again. Hope this helped, guys. Have a great rest of your day. I'll speak to you real soon.